In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping in WooCommerce fast and easy. This is perfect for anyone who wants to enhance their online store with an attractive shipping option that can boost sales and improve customer satisfaction. So let's get started and walk through each step together. First, you'll want to access the WordPress dashboard of your WooCommerce site. This is your central hub for managing everything in your store, from products to themes, and of course, shipping settings. Once you're logged into your dashboard, navigate towards WooCommerce. Selecting this will open up a variety of options related to your store management. You'll want to focus on the settings area, where all the crucial configurations are housed. Once inside the settings section, your next stop is the shipping tab. This is where you define how you want products to reach your customers. WooCommerce allows for extensive customization here, making it a powerful tool in your e-commerce arsenal. To start setting up your free shipping, you'll need to add a new shipping zone. Shipping zones are areas you define where certain shipping methods apply. They can be as broad as an entire country or as specific as a single city or postcode. After clicking on Add Zone, you'll be prompted to enter a zone name. This is entirely up to you and can be anything that reflects the area you'll configure for free shipping. Then, define your zone area, which can include various locations your store caters to. Now you'll select the specific cities or countries that will fall under this shipping zone. This step is crucial because it dictates where you want to offer your free shipping. Now it's time to add your shipping method. Simply click on Add Shipping Method, and you will see a few options pop up. Here you'll select free shipping. Enabling free shipping is a great way to incentivize your customers to purchase. It's a strategy that can help you stand out in a competitive market or boost purchasing behavior, especially if you're using free shipping thresholds. Once you've selected free shipping, click Continue to proceed. The last thing to do is to create and save your new shipping method. This consolidates all the settings you've just configured and applies them to your store. Don't forget to save your changes, ensuring that everything stays exactly as you've set it up. And there you have it. Your WooCommerce store now offers free shipping, which could potentially enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Remember, adding free shipping options can often encourage larger orders and improve sales. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your online store for success.